We're here again with Jamaica College's captain, Xavier Davidson. Once again, on the winning end, 3 from 3 from the quarterfinals. How does that feel?
Well, we always have to thank God for the victory. That's the most important thing. I think we could have got the victory in a more comfortable fashion, but we didn't. But as I said, the victory is the most important thing.
All right, Staths put up a formidable performance today. Do you think that was a testament to how well they played, or JC underperforming?
Well, on both sides, we knew that it's a good team we're playing against today. I thought we could have done better since we know that how good they are, but we give them credit and everything, but I still think that we could have done better in controlling the game.
All right, speak to us about your individual performance. Another clean sheet, another composed performance at the back. How do you keep pulling out good performances?
Well, it's just work hard off the pitch. That's what I believe. If we put in enough work, it will come on onto the pitch. I think I could have done a little bit better in terms of my composure, but as I said, we put in the fight to get the clean sheet and the win. So that's the most important thing.
Jamaica College's number 11, Makwan Aldrich, had an outstanding game today and managing to score the goal that would have given you guys the win today. Speak to us about his performance.
We all know the quality that Makwan has, but I still think he could have done things better today, but we give him the credit because he's a man of the match and he's a game winner today.
All right, quarterfinals, done and dusted. Semi-finals, right ahead. Speak to us about how you guys will begin to prepare for the semi-final matchup.
Well, the first thing is just take it game by game. We got through this game, so it's now to rest and recuperate and come back and train and get ready for the semi-finals, because we know it's not going to be easy.
Do you guys have a preferred team, KC or Mona?
No, they're both quality teams, so we're not having a preference. It's just, it go. We'll just prepare for whoever we get and come up victorious.
All right, congratulations again, Captain. Good game.
Thank you.